Every night, the same problem. The inverter trips. The fan slows down, then stops. Lights go out. And suddenly, everything goes silent. But during the day, everything works perfectly. So what's really going wrong? Most people think the inverter is faulty. But when an engineer checks the system, panels are fine. Wiring is fine. Inverter is fine. Everything looks normal. Then he checks the load. At night, everything turns on. Fans, lights, fridge, sometimes even an iron. And that's where the problem begins. Every inverter has a limit. If the load goes too high, it trips. But there's something even more important. As the night goes on, battery voltage keeps dropping. Lower and lower. Until the system can't handle it anymore. And then, shut down. The solution is simple. Control your load. Avoid deep discharging your battery. Because most of the time, the problem isn't the inverter. It's how the system is used. Like this video. Subscribe for more electrical insights.